And friends, today we have the newspaper of 15th of January 2025, and today we have the National Youth Day. So congratulations to all of you. And start with the first news that women women Agniveer prayed for Army Day. Women Agniveer from the Corps of Military Police marching rehearsal for the Army Day parade in Pune. This is the first time of all women Agniveer contingent will take part in Army Day parade at to be held at Bombay Engineering Group Center, Khadke on January 15. Citing CAG report, Nadda says 2026 crore loss from liquor policy target up. Space decks satellite 230 meters apart. ISRO may attempt docking today. Cracking in MVA, Uddhav Sena says will go solo in local election. Member of Public Service Commissions must not be wedded to any ideology. Vice President Dhankad. At Mahakumbh, a 30-member musicians band strikes a unite note for 4 decades. Anti-Naxal Jammu and Kashmir veteran Cop will be Delhi Police Special Commissioner. At Kite Festival, Branier Trace Tourism take flight in Old Ahmedabad. Will remain open to all. Panama Canal admin rejects Trump claim on Chinese meddling. Ukraine captured 2 North Korean soldiers in Kursk, says Zelensky. Black box in crash South Korea's plane failed to recover final 4 minutes. Los Angeles wildfire switch direction, posing new threat despite wind easing. As Maduro sworn in, Op grapple with hope and despair. US raises reward for his capture. Chinese foreign minister makes surprise visit to Maldives, hold talks with president. Amid peace talk, Trump envoy to meet Netanyahu. Sam Morrow, who sang Soul Man, I Thank You in Sam and Dave duo, died at the age of 89. Crack in MVA, Uddhav Sena says we go solo in local elections. Minutes after man died by suicide, wife hang herself from the pole on road in Delhi. You can liberate Delhi on February 5, Shah tell slum dwellers, promises them houses. In Ayodhya, adjourned Milakpur, BJP SP prepare for duel 2.0. How long will they deceive us? Vijay uses MGR movie lyric to target DMK over need. Rise and fall of Suresh Chandrasekhar, key accused in Chhattisgarh journalist Mukesh Chandrasekhar murder. Mythologically themed gate, murals, sculptures to greet visitor at Kumbh. Most of attacks on minorities political, Bangladesh police. SC, wife can get maintenance even if she defy COVID decree. Assam mine deaths as 3 more bodies retrieved, a political war of word ensues. 4 injured, 24 workers rescued after part of building collapse at Kannauj railway station. Court relaxed Allu Arjun's bail norms, granted permission to travel abroad. Shocking, Tharoor slams Nitesh Rane EVM remark. UGC draft rule are dictatorial, destroy federalism. Pass resolutions against the draft UGC regulation. Congress tell to CM. Vice Chancellor will become Viceroy. In this editorial, P. Chidambaram expressed his views regarding the Vice Chancellor of a university. Lesson learned after Free India's first Mahakumbh. A dinner invite for Pinky Range. Iraq, UAE gain as India's Russia's oil imports slipped to 12-month low in December. Microfinance delinquencies nearly doubled to over 28,000 crore in a year. Before Trump inaugurations, Meta platform Amazon scale back diversity program. Tech blue chip in legal battle. What is the Infosys and Cognizant dispute all about? India's economy likely to be little weaker in 2025. IMF MD. Spike in drug seizures at the airport in metro cities during Christmas, New Year festives. That's from my side. See you soon, friend. Jai Hind.